And one final little touch that will make this even more special is I'm going to take some small slivers of sun-dried tomatoes. I'm going to put those bad boys right there into our soup. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jamison, and this is how I cook. Have you ever gone to Olive Garden and enjoyed Zuppa Toscana? Well, up next, I'm going to show you guys how I make it at home in my way on This Is How I Cook. So here's my Instant Pot. I've got the saute function turned on, and I'm going to start by adding in some pieces of bacon. We're going to add in some Italian sausage. So this is about 8 ounces or half a pound of Italian sausage. So this is what our sausage and bacon mixture looks like. So I've got about 4 cups of water. We're going to add it into this. Next, I'm going to add in a chicken bouillon cube. Next, into our pot, we're going to add these thinly sliced potatoes. These are russet potatoes. And what I'm doing now is I'm taking a moment to try to get some of that beautiful fond up in the bottom of the pot. So once your Instant Pot comes back up to a boil, once you've added the water and the potatoes, I want you to turn it off. So the next thing we're going to do is add some red onion. You don't have to add red onion, you can use white onion, but I've got red onion in my refrigerator, so I'm using red onion. So next into our pot, we're going to add our kale. So now what we're going to do is come in and stir this in. And when you stir the kale in, this helps you see how much you actually have in here. It looks like a lot when you put it in, but it's not a lot. Next, I'm going to come in with some oregano, a little bit of basil, come in here with plenty of garlic. This is granulated garlic or garlic powder, generous pinch of pepper. We're going to add in some red pepper. So we put our Instant Pot lid on, and I've got it set on the soup setting, and I put it on 5 minutes. We're going to take a look at the end of 5 minutes to see how the pot looks. Hopefully our potatoes will be nice and tender, and everything else will be nicely cooked, and then we'll finish our soup. You don't want to miss how I make Zuppa Toscana at home. Okay, so once your Instant Pot is completed cooking, you want to do a quick release. Now the way I do this is I put a kitchen towel over the top of my vent, and then I just open it up. And that keeps the steam from blowing all throughout my kitchen. So the last thing we need to do is finish this with some cream. And you can use as much cream as you like. This is heavy cream. I'm going to add a little pinch of accent to finish our soup. And at this point, you want to be gentle and not tear up your potatoes, unless that's how you like your soup. They're already going to be tender and broken down pretty good. But our Zuppa Toscana is complete. Now we just need to plate this up. And one final little touch that will make this even more special is I'm going to take some small slivers of sun-dried tomatoes. I'm going to put those bad boys right there into our soup. And that, my friends, is our Zuppa Toscana. This is my favorite part of these videos. I get a chance to taste this Zuppa Toscana. This is my favorite soup at Olive Garden. This is, first thing I notice is just how fragrant this is. Smells wonderful. Case, Corian, your uncle has made a beautiful soup here. Guys, this is really easy to make. It's just wonderful fall and winter food. You've got this beautiful texture from the kale that was cooked briefly in the soup. The potatoes are nice and tender. You've got a little bit of spice there from the red pepper. The Italian sausage is coming through nicely. You've got a beautiful smokiness from the bacon that we put in. And then you've got all the other wonderful spices and herbs that you think of typically with Italian food. The basil shines, the oregano shining, and the garlic is shining. Let me get another bite of this just to make sure that I wasn't tasting an illusion and a figment of my imagination. This is simply wonderful comfort food. This with a piece of crusty bread would be amazing right now. Hey, Mom. Love you, Mama. My mama's name is Barbara. Love you, Mama. Yeah, this is delicious. Guys, I hope you make this for your family or for yourself or for your loved ones or whoever. You know, this is perfect for potlucks. This is a delicious recipe and it's super simple. And I just used what I had in my fridge, added in a few ingredients like the Italian sausage and the bacon. And now you have an amazing, wonderful, comforting soup at home. I'm gonna get back to this. Guys, I'm Jamison, and this is how I cook. I forgot myself for a moment. Do me a favor. Take a moment to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. I really would appreciate your support on my channel. Until then, I'm gonna finish up this soup. This is delicious. Oh man.